Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to scan QR code in WhatsApp on Android. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open WhatsApp and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then we will click on the Settings option. Next to our name, we will see an icon with squares and dots. If we click on this icon, we will see our QR code, which others can scan to add us to their contacts. If we swipe to the left, we can use our camera to scan WhatsApp QR codes. We can scan QR codes to add people to our contacts or to open WhatsApp web. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.